Hello, I'm Tavia from MVP. Today I'm going to talk about Medbow's turnover time. This is so important because after you made a payment, you will probably want to know when can I get my sample order or when can I get my bulk order. So we would like to want you to know why it takes that long and what's the process of it. We all know that the turnover time of sample order and bulk order are different. Because one is you are making one and the other you are making like a whole lot. And I will show you a table about turnover time of them and explain each step one by one. First, turnover time of sample. Let's start it from the sample order. First thing is actually starting with a sample production document. This is when you have to send all your information, all your design and reference picture and file to our project representative. And then they will come up with this production document to confirm all of your details of the garments. That takes like 2 days. Second, we will outsource all your fabric and trims for you in the market and other 2 days. Meanwhile, in our sample room, the sample pattern maker was starting to make your pattern of your garments. They will design and then print it out and then cut it out. Third, when the sample room has everything, they will start it to cut and make your sample for you. If you wanna do printing or embroidery, we will just send it to the printing line or the embroidery line. That will take other 3 days to do it. Then after this bring it back, we will also have to buttoning your clothes as well. That will take other 1 day. So if you are not doing any complicated style, you are only doing like lace style, it actually only takes like 7 days. But if you really want to do like printing and embroidery, something like a little bit more complicated or much more complicated, it will take up to 11 days to finish it. Second is turnover time of bulk order. That is about the bulk order. First one, actually our production order also started with our bulk production document. This is if you like your sample after you received it, and if you want to make a little bit of change or anything, we can do that for you to confirm this document with you. This takes 2 days. And second, then we will cut the fabric it for you. Because instead of cutting material for one garment now, we have to cut the material for bulk order, which going to be a lot more. That will take like 2 days. And third, we will sew them together, sew and cut. That takes like 10 days to do that. Then we will put all the trims on it, like little zipper or stuff. Finish. If you like a custom neck label or washing label, we will have to sew it on. Then also the quantity check, that would take like 2 days. If you have printing, embroidery and washing or other kind of technique, you will have to add other 3 days on your order. That will be 19 days. Of course, if you have like multiple on your garment, the time will be a little bit longer. We are just talking about like a very brief time right here. Sometimes it can be a lot faster if you are doing like easier one. But sometimes if it's like a lot more complicated style, it will going to take a little bit longer. And also we have quantity check. If some of the garments did not meet our quantity standard, we will have to fix it or even remake it for you. That will probably take a little bit longer if that happens. Also, what will affect the time is like when we started the bulk orders and you want to change some details. We used it to have this kind of client that they will want to change a little bit of this, and that will much longer because we actually have to fix it. So we won't be able to changing in line or hand over bulk orders on time because you also have to spend time on changing. Now you know like why you take so long and what's the process of it. Overall, our sample takes like 1 to 2 weeks and bulk order takes like 3 to 5 weeks. What we really want to notify you guys is that our turnover time, how to count them. It is after you confirm every single details of your garment of your sample. Some of our clients used it to start it to count the time after they pay. This is a misunderstanding because if you did not confirm to every single details of your garment, we cannot start it. So actually, Our turnover time started to count after you confirm every single detail of your garment and submitted the whole documents. That's where we started to count the turnover time. After this video, hope you have a better understanding of our turnover time and how to work with us. If you are ready to start making your design, please contact us now on Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp, and also email, website. See you next time. Bye bye.